Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Hoang MamBa. Thank you for coming to my broadcast today. May I ask you guys that if someday you are found a trending TikTok video but you want to report it, but downloading is mean watermark everywhere, manual, and our ways to get 10 clicks. What if you could download more than 100 video, no watermark, in less than 60 seconds? Most people go to random TikTok download websites, paste one link at a time, wait, save, and repeat. What is the research? Ton of waiting time, annoying TikTok watermark, and risk of low engagement due to poor video quality. As a creator, I used to struggle with this tool until I found this tool. Let me introduce our MKT Viral, a professional wireless software that lets you download video in bulk from TikTok, Reel, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reel, and Douyin from TikTok China. Our software could remove watermark completely and how to organize files, name them properly, and save by folder. Here is the MKT Viral interface. Here's scanning function and last. You can scan and download video in TikTok platform. Download user, keywords, and hashtag. Now I will choose one user. I just copy the link user and paste right here. You can get this and start scanning. Maximum video that you could scan all the video right here. Now I will scan first 50 video. Yeah, after a few seconds, you will our software will download for you, scanning for you 50 video. Its tool now is fetching 15 trending video from this TikTok profile. So who will flex will with this tool is a TikTok content creator building niche channels, or YouTube Shorts creator starting from TikTok, or affiliate marketer using video seeding strategies, or social seller, brand, or KOCs, and repurposing viral content. In this video, editing completely trend montage. Now I will start download this to my computer. Here. And you can save to the file in the video manage right here, or you can save the file in another folder in your computer. Now I will create a new folder in TikTok web affiliate. Okay, like this. Go to PC. Select the folder and start download. You have duration, create time, and how many comment, like, or transmission. Maybe just a few seconds. With MKT Viral, you can save 90% of the time. Stay consistent with content posting, and you can never worry about watermark or video quality. You can build your content bank faster than ever. Here's a bonus: if even spot Facebook, Instagram, Douyin, or Kuoshow from China TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Okay. Now we have a folder from TikTok at minutes 50 video. That's only 3 minutes. So if you are serious about content creator and you are tired of downloading video one by one, visit your site to update your workflow. Please click in the link below in the description for video demo, or contact me in Telegram or WhatsApp. And my video end right here. Thank you everyone for attending today.